welcome to the third assignment. Today we will continue with the memories. We will do a floor plan of your family home. What I learned from forensic psychology is an interesting technique that juggles your memory. Let's say we have a crime scene and you are the witness of this crime scene. After the crime, if you walk through the crime scene with the police, you will remember many more details about the crime. So being on the scene as a witness after the crime is really important because you can give the police much more information about the crime scene. But of course, this can be re-traumatizing. That's why police does the visualization of a crime scene. So you are not physically visiting the crime scene, but you are visiting the crime scene throughout your visualization. And you try to remember as many details as possible. The sounds, the smell, the touch, the event, how were you dressed. Like I said, as many details as possible. Sometimes police give the floor plan of the crime scene to the witness and they walk through the crime scene in that way. And this is what we will be doing today. Of course, not for the crime scene, but for your family environment, for your family home. So you will need a piece of paper and you will need to draw the floor plan of your family home. Now, do the floor plan of your apartment, but if you lived in a house, do a floor plan for each floor. If you lived in many homes, you can do a floor plan for 1 or 2 or 3, it's up to you. And what will we do next is walk through every room, even the hallway, even the storage, even the garage, the attic, the cellar, and you will write as many memories you can remember in this room. They don't have to be connected with your parents. They can be good memories, unpleasant memories. They can be just the memories of the space itself or the smell of the space. You don't have to write the whole sentences. You can write just a little bullet points so you can remember, and we can give this memory a space to come out. You will probably need a couple of days for this exercise. There is a high probability that even days later you will remember some memories. Go back to the floor plan and write them down. And once you finish, do the body scan and sitting with the emotion. Every time you finish the exercise for that day. That's it for today, and we see each other in the fourth assignment.